Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell products on the Facebook marketplace here. It's going to be really simple, so bear with me in this one. Let's go ahead and search first. So as you can see, this is my profile here, basically. So in here, you could see post, page, ad, group, go to marketplace, and when you see here, you're absolutely now commencing the process. So as you can see, there's products here like cameras, you have cars, motorcycles, and yeah, let's just scroll a little bit here. And these, depending on these whatever niche you're trying to sell, it all boils down to listing. So click listing, and here see a bunch of options here. Items for sale. Let's just go back here so you guys can see items for sale, vehicles for sale, home for sale. So depending on what you're actually trying to sell here on your listing. Okay, now that we've got that on the way, you could add your photo here. Let's see. Yeah, you can basically, you can't see it on the screen recording, but I'm actually choosing a photo right now. So here we go. So this is a stock photo, a free photo, so to say, that I'm just using for the sake of this video. And here there's the title, price, category, conditions. You're going to be filling all this up. Okay, so once you fill all this up, it's absolutely crucial that you're honest about this, about the product you're trying to sell. So let's put it here: leather shoes for men. Okay, basically, and this is it. And having a little bit of a typo here on my end, so just bear with me in this one. Price, you could put the price here on the bottom. How much does it actually cost? Let's say 2,000 pesos. As you can see, that's my country's revenue. Category, what sort of stuff are we selling here? Of course, shoes. I'm going to be searching it here. Here you go. Clothing and shoes. Condition. So, how good is the condition of your shoes? It's basically, again, be honest with this, because Meta is going to be reviewing these product affiliation. Okay, so is it good, fair? Is it brand new? So just to be safe, let's just go with new here. Let's just go with good. Good. Sizes, you put the dimensions of the sizes here. So let's say this is 10 inches basically. That's a bit short for shoe, right? But at least you get the idea. And get code style. What sort of coding do you have on your shoes here? So we have the blazer, diner jacket, sports coat, suit jacket type. Again, it's just a coding, so we're blazer and leather. So fit, the brand, and the description. Again, fill all this up. What type of fit is it? What brand? It's just but Lacoste, or what brand is this shoes right here? Again, this is a stock photo that I just got, so I have no idea what this brand is. So just naming stuff off the bat here. Crocs, and Lacoste. Lacoste, I don't know how to pronounce this in its actuality. So here is the description. So this is a world renowned or whatever, or world recognized products here. Make sure you know how to spell, unlike me that needs to rely on the auto spelling here. Let's just play it safe. This is a world recognized. Again, you're just trying to sell your products here, your niche here, so be a little bit playful with this one. Okay, product tags, so this is optional. Okay, yeah, this is optional here. You can just basically disregard that. Location, where's your business located at. Let's say here, Bagumbayan, Quezon City. Boost listings after publish, or hide from friends. And there's absolutely videos here on this channel regarding how to actually optimize and create an actual ad for your product. So I absolutely recommend you guys to subscribe to this channel. Your choice if you want to hide from friends. And click next. In here, groups, whether you'd like to be selling this with the groups that you're already in, or the groups that you still want to be, a part of, basically. Alright, so in here, you could just join the groups that you're not yet accustomed to. And after that, you can just click on published and it'll be reviewed for 24 hours by Meta. And again, that's why I absolutely recommend you guys to be completely honest about the product you're just trying to sell. This is just an example here so that you guys could have a sort of like a feel and how to actually do this for the tutorial's sake. So quick review here. Scroll down. Here we go. Just make sure that everything's on par with your niche. Crocs, Lacoste. Okay, I guess we have everything we need, and now all you need to do is publish this, and once you're done, that's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching tech tutorials, and please subscribe, and you guys have a nice day.